LG TVS. Turning on with sound or a power light but showing nothing on the screen is a frustrating problem. In this video, you'll see every safe troubleshooting step you can try at home to bring the picture back before deciding on repairs or support. The first thing you should try is a power cycle. Turn your TV off and unplug it from the wall. Leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds, and during this time, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for about 30 seconds. This helps release any leftover power stuck inside the TV. After that, plug it back in and turn it on. If the screen is still black, try connecting it to a different power outlet to make sure the problem isn't with the socket. Next, check all of your cables. Make sure the power cable at the back of the TV is firmly connected. Then check your HDMI and input cables. Remove them and plug them back in properly. If you have more than one HDMI port on your TV, move the cable to another port and see if it works. If you are using an external device like a Fire Stick, a console, or a cable box, unplug it and connect it again. If your TV still shows a black screen, try turning it on using the manual power button on the TV itself instead of the remote. If it turns on this way, then the issue might be with the remote. Replace the batteries in the remote and make sure nothing is blocking the small sensor on the TV that receives the signal. Another common reason for a black screen is the wrong input source. Use the input or source button on your TV and cycle through the different HDMI inputs. If the LG logo or TV menu appears but your external device does not, then the issue is likely with that device and not the TV itself. If the screen is still black, turn the TV off and unplug all external devices connected to it, such as game consoles, streaming sticks, or TV boxes. Once everything is disconnected, power on the TV by itself. If the TV turns on with no problem, then reconnect each device one at a time until you find which one is causing the issue. In some cases, temperature can affect the screen. If the TV has been running for a long time, let it cool down and then try turning it on again. If you are in a very cold room, the panel can sometimes fail to light up, so gently warming the front of the TV can help it start. That's it for this video on fixing an LG TV with a black screen. I hope these step-by-step solutions help you get your TV working again. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Did one of these methods work for you, or are you still having issues? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.